Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Binance account on your mobile application. Logging out of your Binance account on the mobile app is essential for maintaining the security of your account, especially when using shared or public devices. This guide provides clear, up-to-date instruction to ensure you can log out safely and efficiently. First of all, launch the Binance app open on your mobile device. Now, make sure that you're inside the home page. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, and this will open up your profile. From your profile section, tap on your name tag at the top, and from the account info section, tap on the human icon at the top right. Now at the bottom, you will see the logout button. Tap on that. And there you have successfully logged out of your Binance account. Logging out of your Binance account is important, especially on shared device. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account remains secure. Always remember to log out after each session to maintain the integrity of your account. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.